What's up, guys? Today I'm playing Bee Swarm, and don't judge me, it's my first time. So, I just filled up my sack with pollen, so yeah. No, whatever it is. I'm not a master at this game.
Yeah.
So,
It's her first time.
yeah.
But she knows what to do because
On my older account.
yeah.
Okay. Egg menu.
Guys, if like
This is too basic.
if you have a basic thing,
I'm gonna put it right there.
all you can do is take something.
Anas can't play. Sadly. It's because, well, he just get kicked out.
And she said, "Can I be the master?"
Yeah, but you get kicked out, so. Guys, can you tell me what the code is, please? Leave a comment down below and say what
The code is.
Yeah. Okay, make
You
me.
can Oh, Sima.
Yeah.
Don't you have YouTube?
Yeah.
Let's see what the code is.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
It gives you cool thing.
Okay, it's not done yet. Okay, done. Get out. Okay. So, and I guess this is the machine to get eggs.
Hey, you want eggs?
I want to see it.
What was that I just
It's
saw?
in the shop.
Take away.
I can't afford this, but I want to see what the next one is. Aww. But I'm gonna get more honey. So let's do this. I made like some honey, so I'm just gonna go sell this. So guys, right now Anna's playing some more Dominus.
And I'm even saying rebirth to someone. Do you know why?
Why?
Because he only has one rebirth and he doesn't know it gets doubled. And he's on 2 million. He's too late.
Oh, well, he's really late.
He's too late to rebirth. Or you would have got 84 rebirth.
I want. I like the what is it?
That is ridiculous. I'm seeing with my eyeballs.
The diamond bee, but it's on this one. The lion bee. They're my favorite animals. Ladybug, don't get me. Well, you're level 1. Go get him. I mean, get her. I'm gonna come back. Go on, bee.
What a lovely day, Forty.
Yes. They're all killing Now I can do this. Mine. I think we should run away before another one comes. I just got a tree.
A tree?
A treat.
I'll be so amazed.
Raise a bee to level 2. Feed 1 treat to your bees. So, yeah. So, come on. I think I have to do it near there. Let me go over here. So I'm gonna add it. How many treats? I just wanna film one. Yay! Now complete. Oh, now I have to go to the bear again. I've never seen you be happy. Okay, whatever, come on. So, yes, exactly like that. So, just look a little bit. It's becoming. Didn't I get anything, please? Yay! Got more treats and ticket. Yay! I'm gonna go use the ticket because I see over there. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not. I don't know. What does this do? Yay! I got more honey. And my bee's happy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm getting this. Yeah, I got more honey. Even though it's not me. Hi, can you help me go to the ladybug place? And I'm gonna get all her stuff. Come for me. Wait, what?
Sima.
Where are you?
Sima.
Yes, oh my god.
Sima.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm the right way, blue.
Yeah. Okay, oh my god.
Find me, Sima.
Sima, mommy has a message. Well, that was creepy. I just saw a glitch going here. So, guys, just over here digging on. Wow, this gives you a basic bee over here. But I'm still gonna get a basic.
Are you still a noob?
Yeah. Basic.
You can't afford it.
What? I got it.
It said you couldn't afford it.
Got it here.
It said can't afford.
For another one.
Ah.
So let's put it over here.
IGG Gaming 45.
Let me put it right over there. Yay, a basic bee.
You have one.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add that.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Level up.
And Seema's playing some. Are you already recording?
I'm gonna level him up again.
Are you really trying to level up?
Them. This one.
What does it do?
Yes.
What does it do?
Excuse me. Yes.
What does it do?
Yay! One's 3 and one's 2.
What does it do?
Don't know. It just makes them stronger. So, gonna be back.
That's it.
Let me just sell honey.
Guys, I bet Seema is weaker than her pets.
Yep.
Is this all you do, Juan?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to buy, even though I'm gonna see how
Look
much
at him.
a shovel
His
is.
house.
That's all I could afford. A rake. So now I have a rake.
Why are you buying that? Because your pets are stronger.
I don't care. I'm gonna get strong too.
Then you'll get.
See, look. Look at my backpack. 16, and now it's gonna change. Look, look. Look. It's changing.
You only grow when you're 6. That is a weak thing. Your pets are super duper weak. Get them powerful.
No.
And buy some little pets. Because they're very, very weak.
Wait, what?
Do you not know what they do? They go in their 6.
Who is on top of mine? Wait, what? So I'm just waiting
What?
for this. Okay, bye. Comment down below if you want more of Beast Swarm, and we'll see you later. Wait, come back here. Come back. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go make some more honey. Bye.
Well, here.